What's up, guys? Robbie here. Bitcoin is currently dumping to the downside like we talked about in our previous videos. If you guys want to stay tuned, you'll get to see the targets for the downside push and more. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so if we look at Bitcoin right here, we can see that it is having a pretty violent downturn right here. It is breaking out to the downside. We have been talking about this for about a week now because Bitcoin was in this triangle pattern, and that triangle pattern did finally break out to the downside. We had a 70% chance to break out to the downside, but unfortunately, we have not seen volume confirmation just yet. The volume has spiked a little bit, but not to the point where it would really validate this trading pattern. You know, the nearest support here is at that $30,000 price level. It is also a psychological level, and right underneath that is the $27,000 level, which is also another level that we have to watch out for. Currently, the price at the $33,000 price range, you know, and that resistance, if it does end up somehow turn to the upside, would be the $43,000 to $47,000 area. So it did break out towards the end of this triangle here, which means that it would be more explosive in manner. We did see a pretty good red candle here, about a 6-7% drop. Just right off the initial drop here, but like we were talking about in our previous video, we have a pretty low target. Let's draw that target now, which is pretty simple. Is you get a line, you draw it from the top to the bottom of the opening of this triangle pattern, make sure the line is nice and straight. Then we broke out right here, so the target of this drop is going to be the $23,000 area. Okay, and you guys see that that price did change a little bit from our last video. That is because that this triangle pattern did move slightly. It did tighten up a little bit tighter here, so we had to make this triangle a little bit smaller, which made that target a little bit higher up because the opening of the triangle did change a little bit. But yeah, so that $23,000 area is our target. But as we see is what we don't really have any support until that $20,000 area, which, if you guys remember, was the high of the last Bitcoin push up. So that's going to be really our next support, but there really isn't much there. So still, you know, just like expected before, expect that $18,000 level to catch it. But, and then I'm going to say but, because this is only a but because, you know, it's not going to really do anything unless we get volume confirmation here. And we need volume confirmation to really make this breakout kind of sing here. And as of right now, we have no volume as of yet. It has picked up a little bit, but we don't have enough volume to really confirm this pattern. But yeah, guys, if you think that that sounds interesting, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You know, really helps out the channel. And yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.